Welcome to the Datalynx official YouTube channel. In this tutorial, let's learn how to export query results to Excel in DMS Data Explorer. To do this, we need to first launch Excel and open a blank workbook file with multiple sheets. Let's rename the sheets from Demo 1 to Demo 8 and save the file on your local machine. Let's log into DMS Data Explorer and connect with AdventureWorks 2019 Demo Training Template. Click on SQL Query button under the Database Activities toolbar. Let's query the person table. Hold Ctrl key and drag to automatically select the query for person table. We can modify the query as per our requirements. In this instance, let's choose only the required columns. Click on Execute to execute the query. Right-click on the result set and choose Export to Excel option. Export to Excel screen shows up. Choose the Excel file which we created in this lesson by clicking on the three lines. Once the file is selected, we can also choose the Excel sheet. We can choose anyone from Demo 1 to Demo 8. In this instance, let us choose Demo 1. Choose the Start from Row, Start from Column as per your requirements. We can also include column headers and click on Export button. Data Explorer starts exporting the result set to Excel. Once done, the information dialog box appears showing the number of records exported to Excel. Click on Close to close the dialog box. Open the Excel file to verify the result set. As we can see, the result set is exported to Demo 1 sheet starting from row 1 and column A, which is as per what we specified. Thank you for watching.